Welcome back to my channel. You are very clever. If you are able to simplify this particular question, trust me, it means you have a very high knowledge of algebra and surds. Welcome back to my channel. Now let's do it together. First, remember that we are asked to simplify, right? So the first thing we need to do is, this is root 2 plus root 3 plus root. Now 4 is 2 multiplied by 2 plus 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. Now let's call this y. Okay, so it means that y is equal to the whole of this divided by root 1 plus root 3 plus, now this same thing as root 4 multiplied by 2. So y is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 2. We are separating now, plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 1 plus root 3 plus root 4 multiplied by root 2. Okay, now we are making use of this particular algebra, this particular one that states that root a multiplied by b is equal to root a multiplied by root b. So that is why we can separate this and that. All right, so we have y is equal to, let us put this, if you look at this as brackets, then you are going to notice something. They have root 2 and root 2 in common, right? So let's put this in brackets. Root 2 plus root 3. Then this and this, they have root 2 in common. When this is divided by this, we have root 2 remaining. When this is divided by this, we have root 3 remaining. Divided by root 1 plus root 3 plus, now root 4 is same thing as 2 root 2. Note that 2 times a is equal to a plus a. Okay, yeah, for example, if I say 2 times 4, okay, this is 8, right? This should be equal to 4 plus 4, which is also 8. Now we are going to apply that here. Okay, so our y will be equal to, now notice that root 2 plus 3 and root 2 plus 3 are common. They are common, so it's common, sorry. So we can pick root 2 and root 3 and put in one bracket. Okay, now when this divides this, is divided by this, we have 1 plus, when this is divided by this, we have root 2 remaining, divided by root 1 plus root 3 plus, now 2 root 2 is same thing as root 2 plus root 2, right? Root 2 plus root 2. So our y is equal to 1 plus root 2 multiplied by root 2 plus root 3. I've not changed anything, okay? Divided by, now 1 plus root 2, can we see it from here? Yes, because root 1 is still 1, right? So this is same thing as 1 plus root 2 as well. So 1 plus root 2 plus, now we have root 3 plus root 2 remaining, root 2 plus root 3 remaining. Now if you look closely, we have this here and this as our denominator. We have this here and this as our numerator and denominator as well. So we can say, let a be equal to 1 plus root 2 and b be equal to root 2 plus root 3. So if we make that statement, that means we can write y to be equal to a times b, right? Over a plus b. All right. That means that 1 over y will be a plus b divided by ab. So if we expand further, 1 over y will be a plus b divided by ab. Sorry, I'm repeating what I have here. So it should be equal to a divided by ab plus b divided by ab. Now, a will cancel a. We have 1 over y is equal to 1 over b plus b will cancel b and we have 1 over a. Now remember that our b is root 2 plus root 3. So we can write 1 over y is equal to 1 over root 3 plus root 2. Okay? Plus 1 over our a is 1 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2. Now, since we have surds as our denominator, we can rationalize. Okay, we can rationalize. Now, we have 1 over y is equal to 1 over root 3 plus root 2. Rationalizing, we multiply and divide by the conjugate of this. And the conjugate of the denominator is root 3 minus root 2. Over root 3 minus root 2. Plus, so this is 1 over root 2 plus 1, right? Then let's rationalize this as well. Multiplied by root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. It's time to hit the subscription button, please, if this is the first time you are seeing us. Yes, so that you will not miss our next video. Once we drop our next video, you will be notified. Thank you for joining us today. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing, and tune in at any time you are free. You will see something new to watch here by God's grace. Okay, so I'm going to write the last thing we wrote. So y, 1 over y is, so this is where we are here. So we are going to have 1 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2 as our numerator. 1 over root 3 minus root 2 multiplied by its conjugate. Let me just write everything here so that we can easily continue. So I'm actually copying what we wrote the other side. So this is plus, but this is minus the conjugate. Okay, then we added it to 1 over root 2 plus 1 multiplied by root 2 minus 1 over root 2 minus 1. Okay, all right. So now we have 1 over y is equal to 1 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, now the whole of this plus, this will give us 1 multiplied by root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 multiplied by root 2 minus 1. I want you to remember that a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So we can write that 1 over y is equal to, so this will be 1 times this will give us the same thing, root 3 minus root 2 divided by, and this multiplied by this will give us root 3 squared minus root 2 squared. Okay, plus, then same thing here, we will have root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 squared minus 1 squared. So if we continue, we have 1 over y is root 3 minus root 2 divided by, now root 3 squared will give us 3 minus root 2 squared will give us 2, okay, plus, then this will give us root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 squared will give us 2, 1 squared will give us 1. So we have 1 over y is equal to root 3 minus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 2 minus 1 divided by 1. So we can write this as 1 over y is equal to root 3 minus root 2 plus root 2 minus 1. They share the same denominator, so over 1. So 1 over y is root 3 minus root 2 plus root 2 is 0. So we have root 3 minus 1. But we are looking for the value of y and not 1 over y, right? So if 1 over y is root 3 minus root 1 over 1, then y should be equal to the inverse of this, which will be 1 over, this will come down, root 3 minus 1. Now in maths, we don't leave our answer in surd form, so we need to rationalize, okay? So rationalizing, we have y is 1 over root 3 minus 1 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 over root 3 plus 1. Remember that to rationalize, you use the conjugate of your denominator. So our y is 1 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 squared minus 1 squared. You already know what I did here, right? Difference of 2 squares. So if we continue, we have y is equal to 1 times this will give us root 3 plus 1. Then root 3 minus root 3 squared is 3, 1 squared is 1. So it means that y is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay? So it simply means that if you simplify this, you are going to get root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. And this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.